Hi there, thanks for reading the blog. In this video, I will walk you through how to use our Google Ads keyword sorting sheet, which will help you clean up your search terms, kind of go through those keywords and select the ones you want to keep and the ones you want to reject. And the ones you reject will go into your negative keywords list. So the first thing you're going to want to do is make a copy of this sheet. So all you have to do is click this blue button, make a copy, and wait a couple of seconds for it to make the copy. So the next step is you're going to need to get some keywords to sort through. So there's a few options here. You can take keywords directly from Google Keyword Planner. So from here you could download these keywords into a Google Sheet or a CSV, click download, again wait a couple of seconds, and it should download the keywords you selected there. And from here you could copy here, Control C, and then put them into your list here, Control V. The other option is once you've already started running some ads for a little bit and there's already some data coming through, you'll have a few places within your ads that you can kind of take keywords from. One of these would be in the Insights and Reports section here, and you just click on Search Terms, and this will show you what people have been searching for in order to land on your ads. This ad is actually not running currently, so there are none in here. But another option is if you go down here into Audiences, Keywords and Content, if you click Keywords, it will show you the keywords that you're already bidding on. And then from here, you can click this plus sign, select the ad group, and you'll have some keywords pop up here. So this is keywords that Google is suggesting to you to add based on the keywords that you've already added and the search terms report. So it's pulling information from your website, the copy that you've already written, and other sources in order to give you ideas of other keywords that you can add. From here, what you can do is click Add All Ideas, and then you're able to copy this whole list, Control C. So from here, you can go back to your sheet and paste your ads in, click Enter, and as soon as you do that, the sheet will automatically format them into exact match by using these brackets. That just saves you some time, means you don't have to go through and add them manually. So from here, you have to use a bit of critical thinking and experience comes into play. But essentially, what you want to do here is decide whether or not you'd like to include those keywords in your ad campaigns and actively target those terms which people are searching, or whether you want to exclude them and make sure that your ads do not appear for those searches. So fairly self-explanatory, but all you have to do is click on either of these, go through the list and decide which one you'd like to do. So for this, I'm going to zoom in slightly. Here we go. So I'm not actually going to be running this campaign, but as an example, I would click include. Let's say I include this one. Let's say include this one. Roofing leads, maybe we don't want to go after that audience, so we're going to exclude that. The same for real estate, the same for realtors, same for real estate again. Let's go lead generation include, local ads exclude, Google local ads include, insurance leads exclude. You get the point. So you can go through the entire sheet and it will sort it into the columns that you like. And then the final step is to format the keywords and make it easier to copy and paste and put them back into your ad campaign. So all you have to do is click in the column, add a space and click enter, and it will format them into a nice list like that. I've already done it on this side. So from here, what you can do is copy these. So these are the keywords you want to add and include into your ad campaign. So what you do is you go back to your ad campaign. You can delete this list. So if I'm adding the keywords, I will click paste here, and then you can click save, and it will add those keywords, those exact keywords, into your ad campaign. And then similarly for the negatives, we just copy that, go back over here, click on the negatives, and we can add our negatives into that campaign there and just click save. And that's it. So this sheet is designed to keep things simple, clean and fast. You can obviously do all of this manually. It will just take you a bit more time, especially if you're working through big lists or reviewing your search terms regularly. I hope this has been really helpful. If you do have any questions, please reach out to us. You can find us on gelcreativeltd.com and just click get in touch here. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more blogs to help you get the most out of Google Ads.